How to turn on email feedback notifications on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on email feedback notifications on TikTok mobile. First, then open TikTok and now click profile, and here you will find this three lines in the top corner. Click on it and click settings and privacy, and then just scroll down. Here you will find push notifications. Click on it and then just scroll down until you find email notifications, and here you will find that feedback. Just turn it on. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.